Hello everyone, my name is Krasimir Panayotov. This is the Rich Spirit channel, and in this quick video I want to share with you guys the concept of the double top and the double bottom formation pattern. So this is very easy to understand pattern, this is a very profitable pattern, and I hope you will enjoy this video and you will maximize your profits on this particular strategy. So stay tuned and watch until the end. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay, so here I have drawn for you these two simplified models of the double top and the double bottom pattern. So let me show you what I mean. Here you have a nice uptrend and you have the double top formation marked in red. Here you have a downtrend. And you have again the double bottom formation marked in red. So what do we need to have the double top or the double bottom formation? As I said, we need a trend and we need two tops on the same level, like here, or two bottoms on the same level, like here. What else we need? We need to draw our neckline, which is right here, and we need a break under the neckline. So before we break the neckline right here, we don't have this high probability chance of success, because after the break under the neckline we have over 80% chance the price to continue bearish. And on the contrary, if we break this neckline right here, we have a 80% chance for the price to go bullish. And this is very important, guys. If you want to sell here or here or here, is not the right choice, because here you have a 50-50% chance of the price to go higher or lower. So my advice is wait for the neckline break. So after we break the neckline, where we should put our stop loss and where we should take our profits. Okay, so here is how this thing works. After the break of the neckline, we can expect a move downwards as much as is the height of the double top formation. So we take the height, we apply it from the neckline, and here is the move that we can expect. So we can take our profits here, 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 never mind, but in 80% of the cases the price chases this target. So let's repeat again. After we see the break of the neckline, we can expect such move equal to the height of the whole pattern. So you take the height, you apply it from the neckline, and you take your profit somewhere here. So the same with the double bottom pattern. We have the break of the neckline. You have to measure the height of the double bottom. So you take the height, you apply it above the neckline, and of course you take your profit somewhere here. So it can be the 70%, the 90%, the 100%, however is best in your current case, but this is how we trade it. Now, where is your entry? I told you, when we break the neckline, we can enter a buy trade. Here, we can enter a sell trade. Where we set our stop loss? Let me show you. One of the stop loss that you can use is just to place it in the middle of the right shoulder or the right top. or more conservative stop loss, more far away, is above the whole structure. I usually prefer to take this stop because the risk is much more smaller than this whole risk. So usually I take this stop loss in the middle of this height. So you set your stop loss here like this. Here is your entry and your target profit somewhere here. And the same here. I set my stop loss here. If you want to be more conservative, you can put it more down. So if the price pushes this level, you will not get stopped out. And from here, if we see another breakup, you will be protected. I personally prefer to set my stop loss here. And also, very important thing that the price after the breakout of the neckline very often retests the neckline, like I have said in the previous video. And from there you can see this next move to our target. So it's important that if you see such move, you can re-enter. There are two types of traders: those who enter here on the breakout and those who trade who enter after the retest. So you can take also sell trade from here and expect the next bearish move. And now guys, I want to share with you how this works in live trading charts, in real charts. So let's get to the Forex charts. Now we're back in the real charts, and this is Euro GBP pair on the weekly chart. And as you can see, 1 year ago we had a nice double bottom, excuse me, right here. So this is the reversal pattern, guys, that I'm talking about. So we had the left bottom, the right bottom, break above the neckline, and changing the whole trend. So let me show you how this worked. To have a double bottom, we have to have two bottoms on the same level right here, and we also need to have the neckline broken. So here somewhere is your neckline. I'll measure these wicks also of the candle, the candles which are also good to break. And if we see on the daily, just to zoom in this situation a little bit, you can see it all cleared. Okay, this is much better view. So we have the double bottom and we have a break above the neckline. As you can see, if I zoom in, this candle breaks above the neckline, and here we can open a buy trade. So you take a buy trade, you set your stop loss somewhere in the middle of the bottom, or if you are more conservative trader, you can set a wider stop loss right here. Or you can be even more risky trader by setting your stop loss somewhere here. But because sometimes the market moves really fast, I prefer to set it a little bit in the middle of the double bottom. So what is your take profit target here? You just take the height of the pattern from the low to the neckline and you apply it above the neckline like this, and here exactly is your target profit. So you take profit somewhere here. Of course, if you see that the price is just running up, you can let your trade and wait for a bearish signal. I want to show you a few more examples. Let's just check it out with you on the charts. This is a consolidation zone, not so much of a double bottom, but it can be also treated as such. Here is your neckline, here is the downtrend which we are reversing, and the double bottom on the same level. And after we break the neckline, we can observe and we can expect a move as big as the size of the double bottom. So we apply it right here, and we take profit somewhere in this area. Take profit somewhere here, from the 70 to 100% of the height of the double bottom. Okay, but what about the double top? Can we find a double top somewhere here? Okay guys, I have found one for you again on the same pair, Euro GBP, the 4-hour chart. So here I have marked the most important things. We have the tops right here, two tops on nearly the same level. We have the neckline right here, and I have marked our stop loss and take profit level. So what have happened on this particular double top? We had a break under the resistance, and then we had a retest on the resistance of the neckline, but this time it was broken and we went further inside the structure, so inside the formation. So here what have happened is exactly about 50 or 61% of the retracement on the Fibonacci tool, and from there we headed north to this previous resistance level or support level, and from there the price again started retesting the neckline, went a little bit further but not as much as the first time, so we can see weakness here, and from there the price started falling down to our take profit target level. Okay guys, so this is pretty much all for the double top and the double bottom formation. This is how I trade it, and this is something useful which you can try, check out, test and so on in your own strategy. So now I want to draw your attention back to the live charts and see where we can find this pattern, and we can trade it on the next week. So the first thing I want to show you is the Euro USD, and here is your double bottom pattern. We had a nice bearish trend last week, which ended with this double bottom pattern right here. You have the one bottom and the second bottom right here. So right now we are currently waiting for breaking the neckline, and then the price will probably go to the next resistance zone right here, and from there we can see a retest of the neckline, and from the neckline we can head to our target, which is how much? I know you know, exactly the size of our double bottom formation. So we take the size, we apply it, and we should take our profit somewhere here. But because we are breaking this important resistance zone, the price can even go further to the next resistance zone. And this is something which I will once again repeat on the weekly analysis, which I will upload very soon, so stay tuned. Another example on the Euro GBP is on the daily chart. Right here you can see a nice double top formation. Here is your bullish trend, which is slowly breaking, and we have already seen even the breakout under the neckline. Now currently the price is retesting the neckline, and from here we can head down to our target. Again, how much? As much as is the height of our double top. So we apply it and we take profit somewhere here. Okay guys, this is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the explanation of the double top and double bottom pattern. I hope you understand the information. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask. And if you're new to this channel guys, click the subscribe button. I really would appreciate that, because I really want to grow this channel and to help more people achieve their trading goals and trading success. So let's see each other in the next video. The next video will be on the forecast, the forex forecast for the next week. So stay tuned and good luck. Happy trading. Peace.